There are students in this country who are literally taking zombie classes in college at St. Xavier University. And yet they're learning everything about sex from corn. What? I'm not joking either. Most men and women learn about sex in their college years. That's when they become more liberated and they start exploring their pleasures. But there is nowhere for them to access quality sexual education. They don't learn it in high school, other than how to avoid getting an STD or that you can create a baby if you don't wear a condom. And they don't have any courses in school where they teach anything about Taoism, Tantra, or other erotic or sensual arts. This is why so many men in their 20s are when it comes to sex. They have an addiction to their phones and they have their manhood in their other hand. And when it comes to actually getting steamy, they have no clue. None of these higher education institutions will teach you anything. But here are some great sex books that I want you to read if you want to be a skillful lover. The Way of the Superior Man by David Deida is the best intro to this topic. You can check out his other books like Finding God Through Sex and Blue Truth. If you want to learn how to be skillful with your tongue, Chic First is a must until I write my own. And if you want a more advanced book, Female Ejaculation. And if reading ain't your thing, you can always follow me to learn more.